All right, guys, when you're looking for a car wash near me, you're going to find four main types of car washes. That's automatic car washes, touchless car washes, self-serve car washes, and auto detail shops. So there's going to be advantages and disadvantages to all of those. When you're looking at an automatic car wash, they're kind of everywhere, right? So that's your main advantages. They're easy to find, they're pretty inexpensive, and they're fast. The main disadvantages are, though, is in all likelihood, eventually, if not today, eventually they will scratch your car, cause marring, and potentially even chip your paint. And then you'll say, okay, well, I'll go through the touch-free car washes. Well, there's one way that a touch-free car wash cleans your vehicle, and that's by using very, very aggressive soaps and degreasers, which are not good for your paint. They dry out your plastics, and if you do have your car washed and waxed normally, that stuff just strips the wax and protection right off. Then that takes you to the self-serve car washes. So you think, okay, I'll go there and I'll do it myself, but they're probably lacking in equipment. It can be pretty expensive. Sometimes they're hard to find. And then worst of all, the brushes that you're using, you have no idea what the person before you did to that brush and how dirty it is, and potentially and very likely scratching your vehicle. And then there's your auto detailing shop. I guess the disadvantage of auto detailing shop is you might need an appointment and it could be slightly more expensive. But if you're looking for fantastic results, the auto detailing shop is going to take the most care, have the best tools, and give you the best result you're looking for. If you really want to see an awesome auto detailing shop and what you should be looking for to clean your vehicle, I'll take you to the back of this one right here and you'll see a clean, professional facility. When you're looking to have your car really professionally cleaned, you want to look for an auto detailing facility that looks like this one. So the first criteria when you're judging a facility is this facility actually clean? How can you trust them to clean your car when the facility itself is not clean? The next thing you want to look for is, do they have the right tools? Do they have the right experience? Of course, you can find their reviews online, first step. Next, take a quick look around. See if they have something as simple as this. Towels that are nicely marked, color-coded for different purposes. For instance, this one is to wash the car, and then we have a dirty bin, and this one's for windows. Having them color-coded means that the technicians will always know what towel is for what surface of the vehicle. The next thing is lighting. So the brighter the shop, the better they can see whether your vehicle is clean or dirty. If the shop is not well lit, how can they see what they're working on? Can they see the scratches on the paint? Can they see marring on the paint? Next, you'll want to have horizontal lighting like this. These are simple LED lights, but they can be moved up and down to show even the finest details on the paint. Next is, how do they wash the car? What is their process? So here we use what's called a two-bucket system. It's very, very important to avoid scratching, marring, or even chipping the paint. So this is your bucket with your wash media, which is a microfiber towel, and the soap, and it also has a grit guard. And this tool is very important because what it does is it locks the dirt down at the bottom of the bucket and not back on your towel. After every single panel that we wash, we dip the towel into another bucket that has another grit guard with no soap, just fresh water, and basically rinse the dirt off back into your soap. If you're looking for a shop with the right tools, obviously the first thing is a good pressure washer. But can they take it even one step further and really care for the vehicle? Here we have an industrial steamer. The purpose of an industrial steamer is that it cleans in ways that other tools simply can't. Obviously, it's super hot, dry vapor steam. It can deodorize, neutralize, kill bacteria, and clean in really, really tough to reach areas. Hey guys, now we're going to demonstrate best practice wash techniques that we do here at this facility. We're about to demonstrate on a 2018 Tesla Model X that was actually coated with Ceramic Pro over 1 year ago. And that's going to be why this process makes it look so easy. Because when a car's coated with Ceramic Pro, basically everything beads, the dirt just falls right off. So what might normally take a lot of time at a car wash or another facility is going to be really easy here. So first thing we do is pre-rinse. And you can already see how it beads up and the water just starts to fly right off, and so does the dirt. But then we take our soap and wash from top to bottom. Put it in our non-soap bucket to rinse it off. And we really care about having swirl-free finishes, so we dry the vehicle using compressed air. So no industrial brushing and washing here. We use the safest methods possible, and that is how you achieve a perfect finish from the day your car is born until the day you decide to sell it. I hope I helped you tackle the riddle of best car wash near me, and that you understand to get best results, you want to look for an auto detailing facility that does car washing just like this one, Ceramic Pro Carlsbad. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.